Welcome, and thank you for attending this meeting and for your attention to this safety update for US 218. Traffic along the US 30 corridor between Ames and Cedar Rapids continues to increase. To accommodate the demand, much of the corridor has been expanded to 4 lanes. The impact of this growth, as well as the projected increase in traffic, especially large trucks, has placed increased emphasis on the need to expand the remaining 2-lane segment of this corridor as well. That segment goes from Tama-Toledo east to the junction of US 218 west of Cedar Rapids. Land use and historic features along this section have complicated the design effort. A good example of that is at the intersection of US 30 and US 218, where the historic Youngville Cafe and Prairie Lutheran Cemetery limit options to improve the safety of the intersection. Initially, interchange alternatives were investigated, and now designers have added an innovative intersection design to address safety concerns. The intersection design utilizes offset left turns and is commonly known as a restricted crossing U-turn, also called a J-turn intersection. J-turn intersections are now in use in many states, including our neighboring states of Minnesota, Missouri, and Wisconsin. This type of intersection allows traffic to flow freely and function very much like a traditional intersection. The primary difference between a traditional intersection and the J-turn intersection involves the number of places where vehicles' paths cross perpendicular to each other. Broadside crashes that occur at these crossing points often result in severe injuries or fatalities. The J-turn intersection reduces the number of crossing points from 24 to just 4, a significant safety improvement. Let's take a look at how you use this type of intersection. If you're coming from Tama and want to go north on US 218, your route will be exactly the same as it is now. You will still move into the left turn lane and turn left at the intersection. Where you will notice a change at this intersection is if you are traveling south on US 218 and headed east towards Cedar Rapids on US 30. With the new interchange, you will turn right or west for a short time and then U-turn back to the east. It might seem a bit out of the way, but by traveling west and then back to the east, instead of crossing all lanes of traffic on the 4-lane roadway to make the turn, you will eliminate all of the potential places for side impact crashes by not going directly across traffic. Changing the south to east movements reduces the potential for side impact crash locations from 5 to 0. This type of intersection has been selected because it has shown in other states to reduce the number and severity of crashes. A 2012 study at 5 locations in Maryland that have been in place prior to 2008 shows a 70% reduction in fatality crashes and a 42% reduction in injury crashes. This becomes even more important when you consider the anticipated increase in traffic expected in the area over the next 20 years. Using current traffic patterns and anticipated growth, including the amount of trucks, this simulation shows traffic anticipated in 20 years. This type of video is used by designers to evaluate how well a system will function now and in the future, and will show you exactly how the intersection will operate. Thank you for attending this meeting and for your attention to this safety update for US 218. If you have additional questions, Iowa DOT employees are available to assist you.